Hello everyone, here I am back with the new product, that is JBL C100SI In-ear headphones by Harman. Let's see what is there on the back side. In the box you will get one pair of JBL C100SI headphone along with one warranty and safety note, and you will get ear tips in 3 sizes, that is small, medium and large, and one button universal remote or mic. You can see here, you can press to receive call, and you can again press to end the call. You can listen to the music as well. And okay, the price is that is the MRP is around $12.99, that is $12.99, and I got it for around $6.49 from Amazon. It is made in China, and month and year of import is December 2018. Okay, let's see what is there inside the box. Inside the box you will get JBL headphone and the ear tips, and this is the safety instruction by JBL. This is the warranty card by JBL, and I don't know what is this, maybe written in Chinese, specifically Mandarin. Okay, the wires are not tangle free. The quality used are not that much high. These are the ear tips. The 3.5 mm jack is gold plated. Okay, the wire is around 1.2 meter long. Okay, there is JBL branding here as well as here and here as well. Okay, let me hear the sound and give you the feedback, how much I will rate it out of 10. Just now I have listened to few music tracks using this headphone, and I found it bit pleasing to my ears, specifically at this price point, that is around 650 rupees, Indian rupees. And one demerit I will say is if you raise the volume to 100%, I find it a bit uncomfortable using this earphone. So that is the only con or demerit you will say I will say, and rest is up to you. If you can pay 650 rupees, Indian rupees, you can go for it. I will give it a thumbs up. So thank you for watching. I will provide a link in the description below. If you want to buy this headphone, you can go for it. Okay, thanks for watching.